Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send an ACH payment using Bilt in 2025. If you're tired of dealing with checks or wires, ACH is a secure, electronic way to transfer money directly from your bank account. It's fast, cost-effective, and perfect for paying bills, rent, or even friends. Bilt has made this even easier with its user-friendly app, especially with the updates coming in 2025. So, let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have the Bilt app installed on your phone. If you don't have an account, download it from your app store and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, head to the dashboard and look for the Payments or Transfer section. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Select ACH Payment from the options. You'll be prompted to link your bank account if you haven't already. Don't worry. It's secure and follows the latest 2025 banking standards with enhanced encryption. Just enter your bank's details and verify with a small test deposit. Step 2. Enter the recipient's information. You'll need their bank account number, routing number, and the amount you want to send. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. ACH transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to process. Step 3. Add any necessary details, like a memo for the payment, and review the transaction. Bilt might show you potential rewards or cashback if you're using it for eligible payments, which is a nice bonus in 2025. Before you hit send, keep in mind a few tips. Always ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transfer, and check for any fees, though Bilt often keeps them minimal. If you run into issues, their 24/7 support chat is a lifesaver. And there you have it. You've just sent an ACH payment through Bilt. It's that straightforward. Give it a try and start enjoying hassle-free payments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.